Dictation will be started in a few seconds. Be ready. If you are new here, then please subscribe the channel for more new dictation. Start. The said action was challenged by filing an application under Section 17(1) read with Section 19 of the Act before the Debt Recovery Tribunal. Stop. The application was presented on before the RT 2nd Delhi, and the concerned presiding officer declined to pass any order and sought appropriate directions from the Debt Recovery Appellate Tribunal for transfer of the said application to some other RDT. As no order was passed by the DRAT, the matter was again placed before the DRT second, and that day the DRT was informed that the bank had already taken over possession of the property in question and put the same into auction for sale. Stop. The borrower preferred a writ petition before the High Court on, and the High Court directed the borrower to deposit certain amount with the bank and further directed status quo, as regards the property, to be maintained. Stop. Eventually, the High Court wide order only directed the DRT to dispose of the appeal within 2 months. Stop. While finally disposing of the writ petition, the High Court opined that though no order was passed by the DRT, as the presiding officer was awaiting orders from the appellate forum, the bank ought not have decided to sell the property to render the appeal of the borrower to become infructuous and tried to non-suit him. Stop. Be it noted, the DRAT wide its order transferred the case to another debt recovery tribunal. Stop. As the property was sold in auction, the auction purchaser, the third respondent hearing, filed an application for impleadment which was allowed. Stop. Before the DRT, her stand was that she had deposited the entire amount of rupees 25 lakhs with the bank, and if the borrower was still interested to retain his property, he had to purchase it from her. Stop para. The DRT by its order adverted to the facts, assertions made in the application filed by the borrowers, reply filed by the bank, and appreciating the evidence on record, came to hold that there was no infirmity in the statement of accounts of the bank, and thereafter, taking into consideration the facts and circumstances, granted 15 days time to the borrower to pay the entire amount to the bank and the developer, Messrs. Unitech, and rupees 1 lakh as compensation to the auction purchaser. Thereafter, the DRT directed, as in case the appellant fails to deposit this amount within 15 days, the application be treated as dismissed, and respondent number 1 is free to confirm the sale in favor of the auction purchaser now. Thanks for watching.